GM guys, GM. You all know that whenever I drop a video, it's all about an alpha, and the alpha for today is the Boost Season 1 on AlphaBot. AlphaBot is a platform where Web3 projects come to raffle, allow list, whitelist, or early access list for their project, and also to build their social media presence. Okay, so that is not the concern for today. The concern is how we can get position for this AlphaBot campaign to earn boost points that will qualify us for a potential airdrop from this particular platform. So I'm going to drop a link in the description. That link is my referral link, and once you click on it, I'm going to be earning boost points. Okay, so once you click on that link, you come to this page right here, and the next thing you need to do is to click on sign in. Okay, so once you click on sign in, these are the options that you have. Okay, so I always prefer that you sign in with your wallet, so you can use your OKX wallet, MetaMask, or you can also use any of the social media medium that you have on your PC or your mobile phone. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with OKX. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sign in with OKX. So once I sign in, it is going to automatically tell me to confirm. I confirm and I am in. Okay, so I have an authenticator on my, so I'm going to quickly enter the authenticator code. So basically, once you sign in, all you need to do is to quickly set up your profile. Okay, ensure that you quickly set up your profile because that is very important. You are going to be setting up your Twitter, which we are going to be using for this campaign, your Discord, and your Telegram. Very important. So I am already in, and at the top right corner you will see your profile. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come here and you see this additional add a plus symbol. All right, click on it, add your Twitter account. Click on this one to add your Discord, add your Telegram. Then you can, if you have all these, add, or not very necessary, then you see your signed wallet here. Once you click on this arrow, you will see a place where you can click an additional symbol and enter your wallet. You see for Ethereum, for Solana, and whichever one. After you've done that, all right, you see right here Boost Season 1. So all you need to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. Currently I'm on 12,000 points. That's quite low because I've not actually been very serious with it, and I'm on rank 59,000. Okay, so all you need to do is to do some of these tasks. Very important that you do this starter task. You're going to be getting 5,000 points for it. Okay, so these are some of the things you need to do. Once you click on any of this link, you complete the task. This is going to check for you and you see your rewarded point right there. So this is also a daily task you need to do. You participate in raid, you spin a wheel, you write an original tweet. Okay, so you can tweet anything on your Twitter. Once a day is okay. Then you add either boost, tag AlphaBot, or just use the hashtag AlphaBot. So once you do that, you're going to be earning 400 points. This is very important to scale through on this particular platform. Then you can participate in raffle. Okay, so just navigate through all of this. You can copy your referral link, and once someone uses it, you are going to be getting 10 points. So if you are using my link, I'll be getting 10 points for that. Then you can see this particular task right here. Just ensure that you do most of them. Okay, so once you do all of this, you are going to be seeing your rank here. Okay, rank here. So just keep doing them and earning those loyalty points, as they are going to be very essential. So if you don't have a wallet, you need to set up one on your PC if you are using a PC, and if it's your phone that you are using, you need to set up one on your Mises browser, MISES, or Kiwi browser, KIWI. Okay, so how do you set up your wallet? Okay, on your browser, you come here, you search for MetaMask wallet. I'm currently using OKX, but you can use MetaMask wallet. Okay, so you can see, okay, MetaMask wallet extension. So if you are new, set up MetaMask wallet extension. Once you click on MetaMask wallet extension, click on this first one here. All right, then add to Chrome. So once you add to Chrome, the extension is going to pop up. Set up your wallet. They're going to give you some seed phrases, and you have to just save the seed phrase, 12 words. Don't give it to anybody. The same thing goes with your Solana wallet. So create Phantom wallet. All right, extension. Add the extension. All right, the same thing. You can see right here, add it to your Chrome. If you are using Misses, this is the same thing you are going to get. Ensure that your phone is set to desktop mode. Add to your Chrome and set it up. Then you can now connect the wallet, all right, to your boost season 1. You can connect it to your AlphaBot account. So that is the alpha for today, guys. Please, let's get working. Year 2025 is going to print a lot of money for us, and I pray that we all win. We're all gonna make it, man. Take care of yourself. Please ensure you share this video, comment, and like. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can produce more video for us and give us more alpha. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.